overly chauvinistic, kinda sadistic, freak of nature. Pull up with the morning paper and run for mayor, answering y'all on a pager, eating lifesavers. Not the savior, but close to it. Punch you in the gut and you spew fluid. The young Anubis, I'm outside chatting up fiends who are toothless. The pudding's where the proof is. The most glamorous isn't always the coolest. The ones we make kings are always the cruelest. Pull up in the same outfit every day like I was drawn by a cartoonist. Me and the hoes better hang out soonish. Y'all raps are diluted, my shit is full strength like a meditating Buddhist. Might cop a wiener dog named Rufus, trying to figure out what the truth is. Knowing that I'm the coolest flyer than fashion school students, looking out for dudes like Judas. For me it's all about the music. I eat, sleep, smoke, and do this. That's my life, never outside. Talk shit, never comply. Don't give a fuck when shit goes awry. Seeing the future inside of a tiger's eye. More than 9 lives, never hesitate to try. So illustrious. Ashes and ashes and dust to dust. You can't smoke blunts with us. The smoke we puff will make you cough too much. So illustrious. Ashes and ashes and dust to dust. You can't smoke blunts with us. The smoke we puff will make you cough too much. Take prescriptions, true conviction. Get in where you fit in, I stay twisted. These trees get me lifted. The game shifted, but I'm addicted. I shift with it and start to move different. Like God, but the rap equivalent. Make sure to stay vigilant. Stay out of foul predicaments. You hit the lewd, you rap like you off barbiturates. For my craft I work rigorous. The difference is you filled with ignorance. And I rip rappers apart like I'm carnivorous. These moves are deliberate, the penmanship is magnificent. I'm like a plant on photosynthesis. These some run-on sentences. Shout out most dope family, I make my own entrances. My rap transcendence is now. These freestyles deeper than the now. Raps so sick they make you feel like you throwing up bile. And I know y'all like my style, how I put words together like Scrabble tiles. I was in denial for a while, thought that I couldn't rap, but I just can't afford to hold back. The feeling of making dope tracks, something unexplainable, I know that. Rapping to myself in the mirror, trying to enact the same cadence that P had on Return to the Mac. I'm back.